बड़ी अहम खबर के साथ जी हां, आपको बता दें सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भ्रामक विज्ञापन के मामले में कोर्ट में पहुंचे रामदेव और क्या कुछ हुआ कोर्ट में आपको बता दें। हालांकि एक तारीख तय की गई है 10 अप्रैल को जब अगली सुनवाई होगी। फिलहाल आज आपको बताएं कोर्ट में कई बार रामदेव को फटकार लगाया गया है। सीधे रुक करेंगे हमारे सहयोगी हरीश का जो डिटेल में आपको जानकारी देंगे। जी हरीश, प्लीज गिव अस मोर डिटेल।
Yes, that's a dramatic hearing in Supreme Court as far as the Patanjali contempt case is concerned. And Supreme Court very clearly told in a one-to-one interaction with Baba Ramdev that howsoever high you are, law is above you, majesty of the law is above all. Very, very clear message coming in from the Supreme Court that which took very serious view of the fact that Patanjali had flouted the undertaking given to the Supreme Court on November 21st last year that it will not anymore publish misleading advertisements claiming magical cure to several diseases like diabetes, obesity, asthma, blood pressure, cancer, and not only temporary cure. The Supreme Court took very serious view of the fact that it was claiming that it will eradicate all such diseases. Not only that, it was also running down the allopathic parallel stream of chemical medicines, which is called the modern medicines. Supreme Court said very well, you can advertise your products, but how can you run down the other mode of medicines? That cannot be done. And took very serious view of the fact that despite a clear Supreme Court restraint order on November 21st last year, it continued to publish such advertisements and questioned how the media wing and the department which issued the advertisements was ignorant of the fact that Supreme Court had issued a restraint order. The Supreme Court very clearly said that once we issue an order, it has to go to the entire chain of commands from top to bottom. Each and every staff of Patanjali should know that Supreme Court has restrained the company from issuing such misleading advertisements. And Supreme Court has given a last chance to Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakishan to file an explanation affidavit within 1 week. And also, what is important is that Uttarakhand state of government of Uttarakhand and central government has been told very clearly that you have not taken adequate steps to curb such advertisements, and when people have been taken for a ride, you turned a blind eye. It's not an issue affecting not only the country, because Patanjali is a major exporter, it is an issue which affects people across the globe.
Right.
So these are some of the very significant observations. Some of the other observations being that the Supreme Court said all orders of the court have to be obeyed in letter and spirit. We have to protect majesty of law. Your affidavits are merely lip service. I think we have to take this matter to logical conclusion. In fact, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for center.
बिल्कुल हरीश, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो रामदेव और साथ ही साथ आपको बता दें जो भ्रामक विज्ञापन मामला था उसमें कड़ी फटकार कोर्ट के द्वारा लगाई गई है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रामदेव बालकृष्ण को अल्टीमेटम भी दिया है और अब इस पूरे मामले की जो अगली सुनवाई है आपको बता दें 10 अप्रैल को सुनिश्चित की गई है। तो ये पूरा मामला एक बार फिर से 10 अप्रैल को सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुना जाएगा।